How to log out from your Exness account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Exness account. To do so, first of all, open your Exness application on your mobile device. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Use the passcode or biometrics in order to access your account. Once you are logged into your account, in this space here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see the gear icon. Tap on the gear icon and in this settings page, here you will need to scroll down. And once you reach to this profile page, here you will need to scroll down and then at the very bottom, you'll be able to see logout option. Tap on logout. Soon after doing that, you'll see you have been successfully logged out from your Exness account. Now, if you want to log in back to your account, you will need to enter the login credentials and then log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Exness account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.